Good morning, ma'am. My name is Praful Bele and I'm from collegedunia.com. Very warm welcome to you on our interview series, which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview various dignitaries such as the owners, directors, and principals of various universities and colleges. Before starting the interview, I would request you to kindly give a brief introduction about yourself and then we can proceed ahead with the interview. Ma'am.
Uh, Very good morning. I'm Dr. Manjusha Deshmukh. I'm principal of Saraswati College of Engineering, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai.
Ma'am, it was really great to hear about yourself. Now let's go to the first question of this interview series, and that is, what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has your experience been so far with Saraswati College of Engineering, Kharghar?
Yeah, so my passion for teaching and concern about issues or problems faced by the students and taking efforts to solve their problems really made me connected with the students. I have a 27 years of experience, and out of which almost 18 years I was holding key positions, and it was a wonderful journey altogether.
Ma'am, being the principal of Saraswati College of Engineering, Kharghar, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
So I follow transformational style of leadership. So transformational leader is someone who has a very solid understanding about organizational goals for the success of organization. So change really doesn't happen in the organization. It happens with the people. And to lead the change, you need to know how to, leader need to know how to lead the people. And transformational style really empowers the people in the organization to bring in good changes.
Ma'am, the educational systems in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here at your college?
Yes, the educational system in India and abroad are structured very differently, but now, according to new education policy, this policy bring in very good changes in the educational system. The AICT is also insisting institutes and universities to bring in that changes, and very soon I think we will be very close to same structure.
Ma'am, what do you think should be Saraswati College of Engineering, Kharghar's top priority over the next 5 years?
In next 5 years, we want to become autonomous research institute. We want to become one of the best institute of Maharashtra.
What would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
So we are NAC A+ accredited. We are NBA accredited, and this accreditation itself proves that we provide a quality education with research, placement, and entrepreneurship. And we are very well known for very rigorous academics. Our teaching learning process is very good. We are very well connected, or you can say very approachable to the students. If students face any problem, they don't hesitate to come to us, share their problems, and we are always there to solve their issues.
What do you see as the greatest strengths of Saraswati College of Engineering?
So our well-mannered students who are always ready to listen, devoted and dedicated faculty members or staff members, our teamwork for the betterment of students are our strengths.
Have any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
So dear engineering aspirant students, don't get demoralized if you don't get seat in your dream institute. Wherever you get admission, you have to prepare yourself for getting a placement with higher package. Nowadays, all the companies offers placement opportunities on their portals, so it doesn't really matter where you are getting the seat. What matters is what you are doing in 4 years of degree duration. So make the maximum use of these 4 years. Focus on enhancing your personality and your skill set.
Ma'am, it was a pleasure to meet you and to listen to your views on our interview series, that is Thoughts on Education. I thank you on behalf of the College Dunia team and we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you, College Student.